Welcome to Drawing Box Studio, and today we are going to make Thanos from Infinity Wars. Let's draw. We will start from the eyes, and the eyes is in diagonal shape. So make a line like this and go upward and like this. Okay. Along with that, where we start, the eye will start like this, and there is a helmet. We are making helmet with the eyes, and the same angle in the opposite direction. Make a line and attach into this. And for the second eye will start from here to here. Okay, the eyes are ready. We will make a little lines over here to make it more attractive. You can add this in your color pencil. Okay, now we are going to make his nose. For nose, make a diagonal line like this and a straight line, and there we go, and the nose is ready. This is his nose still. Okay, so now we will make the helmet first, so it will more easy for us to understand the anatomy of the face. Where the edge is, we will make a oval line like this. Here it will end up here, and here is his ear, which is covered in golden chrome, and here is his jawline. This is his jawline, and now I am going to use my pointer for minor details. This is his cheekbone. For cheekbone, make an arrow like this and connect to this. For more detailing, I am making a line along with that, so it will be look more beautiful, and oval over here, this and like this. And for the width, I am making a line along with that, so it will give us the width, the helmet. Okay, the helmet is ready. Now we are going to make his face. Make cheekbone here like this, arrow shape, and a straight oval from here, and connect to this line. Okay, face shape is almost ready. Now we are going to make the lips line. He is in angry mode, so make a line like this and that. Okay, for his chin, I am going to make the lines, which is his identity. Okay, and make a line like this, and our Thanos face is ready. Now we are going towards the body. For body, we will first make the shoulder. Make a line where the cheekbone, where it will end. It will be in yellow color. I will show you in the end of the video. This is his neck cover. Will connect over here. Okay, the neck is ready because he is wearing his suit. Now we are going to make his chest. For chest, make a line like this, like arrow shape, and his belly line. Here is his belt. Break the line over here, and this chest line over here, and this is his body line. Okay, the chest is almost ready. These lines are very important. It will give the shape of the chest and the volume of the chest. This is his belly, and here is his torso belt. And a part of his belt, which is also in golden color. Okay, now we are going towards, this is his, okay, make a line A shape over here in the center, and now follow the line. We will make like this, so now it is looking more interesting. Okay, now we are going to make his legs. For legs, make a line, a little line, and for his, make a line like this. You can watch the video over and over if I am doing it very fast. And the leg is ready. Now we are going to make his foot. For foot, make a line like this. The foot is ready. Now we are going towards the other leg. For the same proportion, make the lines so the legs are in same height. Same process over here. And for his second foot, and the foots are ready. Now we are going to make his arm. We will make the first arm. Okay, make a line. It's like an arrow because he is very muscular. And oval shape here, and it will his punch. Make a square or rectangle like this. This is his thumb. Along with the thumb, make a line and connect to this. Now our thumb punch is ready. Now we have to just make the fingers. For fingers, make a line like this, and his punch is ready. Now we are going towards its second arm. He is showing his glove. Make a line. This is his bicep, also tricep, and this is his bicep line. And now make a line along with the bicep. This is his paw, and this is the fingers. Don't forget the angles. And this is his elbow. Can make lines along with the glove to make it more attractive, like this. And his oval, where his gems are, a big oval over here. And our character Thanos is ready. Thanks for watching Drawing Box Studio, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.